all eyes were on you, and you started by giving reverence to the Blue Eagle logo on the floor. How did you approach this game? There's lots of things probably in your head.
For me kasi nothing personal eh. I mean, I've had good memories with Ateneo, with my teammates here. But the game kanina, as much as I want to, I treated it as just another hobby for me. Kasi if you think about those extra pa, baka ma-distract lang tayo. Nothing personal, just happy to be back here and happy na nakuha natin yung panalo.
Yeah, triple OT, parang ilang dekada na hindi, or 10 years, hindi pa nangyari sa UAP ulit. So, anong feeling na yung team niya yung talagang naka-pull through sa dulo?
I'm really happy with what my teammates showed today. They showed heart, they showed great KB, Mark, yung dulo, sila Collins, talagang even Kalu, ganda yung pinakita nila, especially no, kukulang na kami sa players yung overtime. The guys who needed to step up, they stepped up.
Yun nga, no? So, ano yung tingin nyo yung sa conditioning nyo ba? Parang habang nagka-cramps pero kayo yung talagang nakahanap ng paraan para makalusot?
Well, I think you gotta credit our SNC din. Sila Coach Phil, si Coach PT, sila Sir Jose, Coach RC, yung mga interns namin. Inaalagaan talaga nila kami. And then, well yun, kasi I think it's a testament also for strength and conditioning workout. Pero, yeah, kahit sabi namin sa dulo, alam namin pagod na yung katawan namin lahat eh. It's all about gonna be mental na lang ng dulo. Kaya really proud of what the boys showed today.
So yun, no? So big momentum to close out the first round. What will your team do to make sure na hindi masasayang triple OT win na to?
Well, not too high, not too low. Just stay grounded. We have MU Wednesday, we have Adams on Saturday. So we just gotta focus on our next games na kasi